Hi everyone, welcome back my other video. Fast and Furious 3D light car and RC tank remote control tank model 3D light rechargeable RC remote control tank unboxing and testing. Tank model. (27 MHz) frequency. This is the car fast and high speed 2-channel remote control car and 3D light champion RC champion car. 27 MHz red color option. Two-cell remote and 3-cell battery cell gadi. Open box. This is the car. 2-channel yellow color. Plastic unbreakable body. Back cover open. Three battery cell install. Wow, nice 3D light car, blue and red. Two battery cell remote, 2-channel remote, 27 MHz. Reverse, forward, reverse, forward, reverse, forward, forward, reverse, forward. Nice and high speed car. Drive very simple and very easy drive. Indoor and outdoor use. Open the box and RC remote control tank unboxing and testing. Remote 4-channel remote. Back cover open. 2 battery cell install. Army tank. 3 red button and music or light and fire music. fire moment 360-degree, light 3 red button, music change light on off, reverse, 3 battery cell, install, army tank, RC remote control, forward, back, right, left, forward, back, forward, back, thanks for watching.